Hey y'all, happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Guys, hope you all are having an amazing Sunday. I am. Just got in from a, probably 45-minute jog in the neighborhood, walk up and down some flight of steps about 6 times. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the table, then I'm gonna get on my mission because I need to get dressed for today and go somewhere. And I'll probably bring y'all along for a little bit, but I just wanted to say, have a very great Sunday. So guys, the package that you see here, I will be bringing that to you guys in another video. Not this video, but the next video, because by that time, the other package would have came. And yeah, so let me show y'all the table real quick, because I know you guys are wondering how beautiful she is. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Awesome. Come on, light. Come on, light. They need to see a really good picture of you, girl. There she is, y'all. That's what she looks like. So, yeah. So, I will see you guys shortly, in a little while, okay? But enjoy your day. Enjoy. Hey y'all, let me stop playing with y'all. But yeah, guys, outfit of the day, y'all. Don't tell me you can't wear white. I told y'all we don't go on bandwagons. We do whatever we want to do. So yes, outfit of the day, looking kind of fallish, looking kind of fall-like. So I am going to wear from last year. Remember I hauled my cotton coat? I'm gonna be wearing this today with a scarf. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next part of the video. Just wanted to give y'all a little something to laugh about. Okay? See y'all. All right, y'all. Got a carload full. Where the other one at? This one? Huh? It's okay. I don't know. They might. We at the place, y'all. She all in my way. We at the place. We're gonna see what we can score today. You like that? Yeah, I like them. Found me a pillow, y'all. I don't know how much is it. You gonna get that? That's nice. Huh? Yeah. Y'all, I'm thinking about this for 30, but I think I'm gonna see if I can get something off of it, because it was a display. You think it's worth it? $30? Wood and marble. What you think? You like this? $15. Hey y'all, I'm back. How y'all doing? I had to get me a cup of tea, y'all, because my throat is feeling a little itchy. And as y'all can see, I did have my mask and stuff on in that place, so yeah. Y'all, I am so excited. I'm so excited to show you guys. Let me know in the comments before y'all even see what I got. What do y'all think I got? That's what I want to know. What do y'all think I was able to be blessed with? Just let me know. Because I know for a fact this was a blessing, because I had already said it was something that I was going to do. I was going to get rid of something, but I ended up able to bless somebody else with it, and they really needed it. So I didn't have to like try to sell it. I was going to sell it, but I didn't. Let me just show y'all. I'll let this sit here and steep until I come back. So guys, I'm going to try to make it where y'all can't like, let me make sure y'all can't see behind me, because y'all not about to, Let's go this way. Let's just go this way, y'all. So, we're gonna come in here because I'm gonna talk to y'all real quick. So, if you guys, I don't want y'all to fall. Y'all, don't she look pretty over there, the chair? I don't know why she won't. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here. But while I'm in this office, I think I had shared with you guys before the shelf that was over here. I told you guys that I was gonna get rid of it. I was either gonna put it on OfferUp, or I was gonna do something with it, because once we had got that other shelf, there was no need to keep the shelf. So you guys know me and Mark DIY that shelf. So how come I got a company today and they talking about they need a shelf to put their TV on? I'm like, what? So guys, I let it go today, right? And I kept saying once I let that shelf go, anyway, it was getting out of here, I was looking for something else to put my my plants on, but I wanted something simple that had maybe like a few things that was more mid-century. Okay. Are y'all ready to see what she found? Huh? Because I'm ready to show y'all. I'm just thinking like, that fast you did that? So y'all know I told you guys last time, if I went in there, I was looking for another one of these chairs. Unfortunately, they didn't have any more, but all of their furniture was half off. I did not know that until I found something. Only one thing I seen when I walked in that door and seen it, because I showed y'all. I was like, let me just ask them, can I get, a discount or whatever? Guys, he was like, what do you mean a discount? He was like, you don't need no discount because the furniture half off. I was like, what? So y'all, I'm going to show y'all 2 pieces of furniture that I got for $21. Okay? Y'all, are y'all ready? Are y'all really ready? Come on. Let me put the camera down. And this is something they were selling these too, y'all, in there for they were selling these amber vases for $2. So I had cash on me, so I just paid went on to pay. This is a large, big, pretty vase. Large, pretty vase. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but guys, let's just get on into the program. Y'all, do y'all see this right here? Do y'all see this brand new marble and real wood table? This is real marble, guys. Real marble, okay? Real wood. Still had the tags on it, so if you guys want to Google it, go ahead and Google this if you can see it. This is Project 62. I don't know why I was saying, it's an accent table, y'all. Do y'all see black metal base that matches what I did there? Y'all, oh my God. I'm just like, I'm so outdone. I'm so outdone. Then over here, guys, look at this. I got this beautiful lamp that was there last time. I showed you guys it was there last time. I didn't get it. Y'all know what they were selling it for? Because the legs are wobbly. But guess what? Since I've been home, I use this Island key. It tightened up these legs. There's nothing wrong with this, y'all. Look. Lampshade. Everything. I think it had like a little flaw. But guys, I got all of this for $21. I said I was going to find me a lamp that looked something like this to put in the office. I'm going to put that right over here in this corner, right here. And I'm going to put that table right here, y'all. And I'm putting my plants on top of it. Y'all, let me know what y'all think. I can believe it, but I'm thinking like, you got to be kidding me. Y'all, that's some beautiful stuff. Can y'all see? That's some beautiful bargains. This table alone is $69. Let me let y'all see it. Let me let y'all prop y'all down a little bit. Y'all, this is originally $70. I got this for $15. Brand new, nothing wrong with it, with the tag still on it. Let alone, I don't know how much this is, but y'all go do the research and y'all let me know. This lamp is beautiful. It's wood, and y'all know I still have stain left over from when I stained that thing back there, that shelf. I ain't gotta do nothing but stain these little bitty scratches right here. Let me just show y'all. All I have to do is put some stain on these little pieces that have like little marks like that. So guys, let me know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments, thumbs this video up if you enjoy content like this. I would love to have some new subscribers on the channel. Y'all, I will see y'all in the next video, and y'all will see how everything looks. Y'all, I love y'all. Okay? Till next time, I'll see you in the next video, and you guys will see how everything is set up. And then, like I say, I'm waiting on one more package, and then I can show y'all what it is I need to show y'all. All right? Yes. When one door closes, another one opens. That's for somebody.